Hello everyone, and welcome back. Well, spring is trying to get here. Today was kind of a crappy day. Rained this morning and then snowed most of the day, but it would just melt when it hit the ground. But if you guys have been watching the videos that Zach has been putting up, you know that he's been working on my dad's four-wheeler this winter. Last night, Zach sent me, every couple of weeks, or when he's working on the four-wheeler, he'll send me pictures, and he sent me, I don't know what it was, 4 or 5 pictures last night, and he's really coming along nicely on the progress. But we're having trouble finding the front luggage rack. My dad's four-wheeler is a 2005 Kodiak 450, and I mean, Zach's got the new, part of the new frame, new radiator, the front bumper thing. He's found everything, but he cannot find the front luggage rack. And the one that's on there, I mean, if worse comes to worse, we'll bend it. But I mean, it was really kinked. It was, that was hit hard when it hit the tree or flipped, or I mean, it obviously hit a tree. But so anyway, I told Zach, you know what? I'm going to put a video up on Joe and Zach asking, because we've done eBay searches, online for it, and you just cannot find one. So my question to you guys is, maybe you live somewhere and there's, Joe's ATV or Bob's, repair or something, and you know that they have four-wheelers that they part out. And I'm not asking anybody to buy it, we just want, and I don't want to I might get 200 comments on this video, so I don't want 200 links to check out. I guess that would be fine too, it doesn't matter, but if you guys know of a place that's in your area and they have a website, maybe you could check and see, or send us the link to that website if you know it's there, so that we can order one, because Zachary is getting to that point now where he's almost done. Opening fishing is coming up. We're at pretty much the end of, where are we, March right now. So April, the beginning of May, opening fishing starts, and it would be really awesome if when I go up opening fishing, I could bring my dad's four-wheeler up there and it would be all done. So that's the 2005 Yamaha Kodiak 450, the front luggage rack. Any help you guys could give us would really be appreciated. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.